As a global recognition of AI transformative potential growth, FPT Software stands as a pioneering force at the forefront of AI research and solutions. We made early investment in AI research to lay the foundation for developing state-of-the-art solutions for our clients. Today, we stand strong alongside top AI partners such as NVIDIA, Landing AI, and the AI Alliance, offering cutting-edge AI solutions for clients across industries, including BFSI, manufacturing, healthcare, oil and gas, and our core domain, software development. We explore agentic AI to develop tools that automate software development, potentially changing forever the development cycle. Our people will focus on high-end tasks with more creativity and empathy, such as design algorithm and understanding customers. Our team leveraged the latest Gen AI models to create coding assistant. This innovative tool is fueled by a multi-agent AI system, seamlessly integrated into users' IDEs, serves as a coding assistant, enhancing productivity for our developers. We've seen a remarkable productivity gain of 40 to 60%, all while maintaining stringent data privacy and security measures to safeguard our clients' data.
According to Deloitte, 93% of supply chain companies identify AI as a key technology to propel speed and agility. Our AI experts and engineers have developed a comprehensive AI solution for smart factories called Intelligent Inspection, or I2. It is a combination of 3 modules: vision, sound, and sense modules in order to automate quality control and reduce unplanned downtime of equipment. With I2, product inspection time is 10 times faster, with accuracy of as much as 99%, increasing throughput to our clients as well as savings millions of dollars. We developed an agentic AI platform named IV, connect to tools and programs to execute tasks that can help streamline business processes across various industries. In manufacturing, IV automates critical factory processes such as invoice approvals by reviewing employee documents, suggesting alterations if needed, and ensuring higher accuracy for faster processing.
Nowadays, many insurance companies are leveraging next-gen technologies like AI to deliver faster, more accurate, and cost-effective services to create operational excellence and improve the overall customer experience. We are proud to develop an AI-based customizable solution called Confidant, which applies intelligent automation to manual tasks in the underwriting and claim processing workflows. Confidant can help to expedite the underwriting turnaround time from 20 minutes per policy to approximately 2 seconds. Above all, our AI solutions can prioritize data privacy and security to ensure that the uploaded data is exclusively used for the training client models and would certainly not be shared with external sources.
In healthcare, AI and machine learning are enabling quicker and more accurate responses to the needs of the people. It is used to capture and analyze voice conversation between patients and doctors, providing automated suggestions for updating the patient's electronic medical records. In medicine production, computer vision can help pharmaceutical companies maintain better quality standards with automated pills inspection. The AI scientists and engineers at FPT Software are looking into applying AI in developing diagnostics imaging engines. We also take that care beyond the hospital wall, extend it into real-time remote monitoring system, using advanced algorithms to analyze patient data collected from the wearable devices and sensor. Healthcare provider can remotely track patient vital signs, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions for effective and proactive healthcare management. The potential of AI is limitless, and we at FPT Software are committed to develop responsible, ethical, and safe AI solutions